Okay, we're on to resistors here, the squiggly line. You can have the potentiometer, the rheostat variable. I don't have any of those, so we're not going to talk about them. But resistor, boom. Typical resistor looking thing, okay? The various values of ohms is what we measure them in. Okay, and the way you tell what's what here, you can see those little lines on the body of them, okay? And you might think the bigger the resistor, the more resistance it is, but it really depends on what the material is, because this bigger one here, right, this one bigger one here, is a 10 ohm resistor, and the one below it, that small one, is a 100 or 1,000, 100 ohm resistor. And you can tell by the different colors of these stripes, okay? On all the resistors, the first two stripes, and I should probably do it this way because this is the way it goes. You got a silver or gold, that's always going to be the last one. That gives you the amount of precision the nominal value is. It's like, 5% plus or minus. I think it can be 10% too, depending on, I think gold is 5, silver might be 10. You look at the first one here, various colors have different values. This one has a brown, if I can get this back into focus. This one has a brown and a black and another black one, okay? And black stands for the digit 0. 1 is brown, so if I look at this, I got a 1, 0, and the third 0 is going to be my order of magnitude, or the exponent on the power of 10 in, like, say, scientific notation. So this one's got 1, 0, so it's 10 times 10 to the 0 power, which is 1, so this is only 10 ohms in value. Okay, and the other one that I had in my hand here, it also started with a brown and a black, and then it had another brown, so it had a 1, 0, and a 1, so it's 10 times 10 to the 1 first power, so it's just 10 times 10, which is 100, so that one's a 100 ohm value. And this one here that I had, same size as the 100 ohm one. This one's got it backwards here. If we look here, it's got a brown, black, and a red line. Red represents the digit 2, so this one is 1, 0, or 10 times 10 to the second power, or 100. So I got 10 times 100. This one would be 1,000 ohms. And if we don't remember what those lines represent, you can always use a multimeter. I've got this one set at the 2,000 ohm range. So when I put my probes on there, it comes up to 980, which is nominally, 1,000 ohms. Okay, so that was my 1,000 ohm one. The other small one should come out to be 100. And then this last one, I'm going to clip down to the 200 value there, and it comes out to be 11.3, which is 2, or 10. Okay, so nominal values are the stripes. The actual values you can get by using a meter, and we'll do some playing around with those in a minute.